Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to do an unboxing for Look Fantastic. We're actually going to do two. We're going to do the November and December's boxes. At the end of November they had a deal where if you signed up for 6 months or 12 months you got your first box for only $1. So this was $1, I think $1.22 with taxes. There's shipping already included in it. I did get this about a week last week, so I have peeked inside of it. The December box I have here. I haven't even looked in it and I can't remember what the spoilers are, so it'll be a surprise. So let's do an unboxing. Let's see here. So we get a little book. It tells you what's in here. An Elle magazine. Oh, nice. So let's start here. Ren Evercalm Global Protection Day Cream. I've got a few of their stuff, so I'm excited to start using this as a routine. Almus Papaya Enzyme Peel. Now I do have the full size upstairs, but I'll probably use this first to see if I like it. Ignore the nails, I haven't painted them in a while. Allure Gather, New York. This is Gelato Swirl Illuminator Gilded Honey. I'm kind of interested to try that. Ooh, I see it on my fingers there. It doesn't really swatch well, but that's pretty. I wonder if it has a smell to it. Nope. So the next item I see is Contour Cosmetics number 4 Juju. Oh, it's still sealed, but it's actually a really nice pink. I actually might even like that one. I wonder. I'll have to try it on some time. So this is Mellow Precision Eye Pen Eyeliner. Ooh. So it's another felt tip. I'm not going to try this out. I'm not sure if I'll keep it or not. I have quite a few of these and I don't use them. My daughter does, so she might like that. And the last item I have here is a huge bath bomb. I love bath bombs. So this is Akia Berry and Hibiscus Tea. This restoring bath fizzer uses a blended of goji berry, extract, tea notes, and essential oils, helping to deliver nourishment to all skin types. Ooh, I can't wait to try that. It's bubbled tea, limited edition, bath and body. Ooh, that smells good. Wow. So it's not bad for November's box, and since it only cost me $1, I'm not going to complain because, you know, we all know these are really super expensive. I'm going to put that all back in the box here. And let's move on to December's box. Oh, and I have it upside down. Sorry, guys. Oh, I'm not sure what I did to my eye, but... So, we have the book, we have the magazine, and it's cool, it's kind of pretty. Ooh. Oh, now I remember why I got this. So, this comes with a beauty sponge, which I may or may not keep for myself. My daughter might steal this because she likes using them. This Works Deep Sleep Pillow Spray. Fall asleep faster, naturally, and wake up refreshed. Now I have actually, this Works from my FabFitFun box for, it's like a roll-on. I haven't even tried it yet. It's right by my bed. And I need to, I'm going to use that tonight because I have a hard time falling asleep. So, but I've heard some good things about this, so I can't wait to try it. It smells good. So this is Karl Lagerfeld and Brow Pencil, medium to dark. Again, my daughter very well may steal this. Actually, that might... It's very close to something I could even use, maybe. I'll have to try that. Sorry, guys. Oh, maybe that's why my mascara is... Shh. It's Monday. So this, actually, I got in, I believe, Glossy Box, and I just finished using it, and I really like this, but I have a hard time rinsing it out. I'm not sure why. So it's exfoliating pre-wash treatment. It's a scalp detox. So you know, and you get in the shower before you shampoo and condition. You put this in your hair, you let it sit, and then you rinse out, and it's supposed to feel invigorating. Apply a generous amount to your scalp, massage, leave for a few minutes, thoroughly rinse and cleanse your hair using cleansing conditioner or shampoo. The only thing is I always have a little bit left in my hair. I actually have some right now, so I've got to figure out how to use this properly. But otherwise, I really, really like it. It leaves my hair and my scalp feeling so much better after I use it. And like I said, I just used this tonight and I ran out, so I didn't get the full treatment effect. So the next item I see is, I'm not even sure how to say that. It's a Hydro Vial. Let's see. Ooh, top of my box. Believe in Christmas. Believe in the magic of Christmas, sorry. That's kind of cute. I like that for a sample. Let's see. It's a jelly. Jelly. Ooh, that feels nice. Does it have directions here? This best-selling clear gel instantly helps skin feel hydrated and smooth. The lightweight water-based formula is quickly absorbed by the skin and is a perfect base for long-wearing foundation application, leaving your skin looking flawless. It's infused with vitamin B3 and sodium hyaluronate that holds more than 1,000 times its weight in water, perfect for moisturizing your skin. Something in it instantly blurs appearance of fine lines and make your skin look smoother. Ooh. That feels really, really nice on. Oh. Just tried that on my hand, and you can feel where I put it on and where the rest of my hand. Ooh. I'm excited for that. So the last item in here is Dr. Botanical's Pomegranate Superfood Brightening Eye Serum. They seal the top, but they don't seal the bottom. I don't understand why they do that. Come on. I've had a few things from Dr. Botanicals, and I've come to like them, and holy moly, that's like full size. Use in the morning and evening onto clean, dry skin around the eyes. Discontinue if redness occurs. Well, if you don't put it in your eyes, it shouldn't. Pomegranate. I need nice stuff. Doesn't have a smell. Ooh. That's really nice. And this bottle will last me forever. That's got to be like a full-size item. Where's my book? There's my book. Let's see here. Fused with raspberry seed oil, this deeply nourishing eye serum will help smooth and refine under the eyes, reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. The antioxidants properties of the pomegranate extract brighten skin and leaving your under your eyes hydrated. Leave the serum in the fridge for added boost that helps reduce any puffiness. Ooh, now it doesn't say. They have a joke in here. Christmas cracker joke. Who is Santa's favorite singer? Elvis Presley. No, they don't say if this is full size, which I would imagine is, and they do not say if how much it is. So I don't know. All in all, so I think if they sign up for 6 months, it's $22 a month Canadian. You can go to the website and you can choose your currency. So if you're in the UK and the US or whatever, I do think that they ship almost anywhere, but you have to kind of check. But if you sign up for 6 months, you don't have to pay for the whole 6 months. You just pay monthly, but you pay a discounted rate, which is really, really nice. So I'm kind of excited. I find that this box has the higher end samples, so you do pay a little bit more for it. But I mean, I'm pretty sure this is worth more than $22 Canadian. So I'm definitely got my money, and I'm pretty sure this is full size as well. I mean, maybe not something I entirely like or use, but it'll be definitely worth it. And the sponge. So I mean, this is a pretty good box. It has a little bit of everything, a little makeup, a lot of skincare, which I do like, a magazine, can't go wrong. So those are my 2 boxes. That can't cost me about $23, $24 maybe with taxes and whatnot. Oh, I forgot my this works. I definitely can't wait to try this. Yeah, I think that's it until next month. I know this month I've been pretty quiet. Right now we're still trying to get boxes in and out, so it may be a while. I'm hoping to get my Ipsy bag soon, which would be really, really nice because, you know, I got the add-ons and whatnot, and I'm excited to see what this month holds. I think I'll do an unboxing for my top box next, so stay tuned and I'll load that up as well. If you have any questions, leave them below. If you are interested in Look Fantastic, I do have a link below. You can use that, and the promotion for the $1 box is over, but you can, you know, certainly add yourself to the emailing group and they'll email you offers. That's how I found out about the $1 box. I also find it a really, really decent box, especially like the boxes themselves are really nice. I tend to, you know, organize my whole collection upstairs in these boxes. My nail polisher is in some, and, you know, my different face stuff is in others. But anyway, if you like my videos, hit subscribe and stay tuned.